Hello, this is White from Abyooda company. In this presentation, I will show you how this website is dynamic. It's all dynamic right here. The movies, I add movies from the dashboard of the WordPress. I used ACF and WooCommerce and Elementor Pro. These items are all dynamic. And when we go into an item, here's the trailer of the video, the trailer of the movie. This is the plot, and this is the IMDb. This is a summary of the movie, and here are the information for the movie. Here you can see the latest movies, and here is a comment area, and here is the purchase for this movie, to download the movie. Also, I add the shared buttons right here. This is all dynamic. The problem is that some of the employers need to add movies or add dynamic products to the website, and this is so easy by doing this using Elementor and ACF as a freelancer. We will take a look on the dashboard. I added the movies here. This movies is when we add a movie, it's dynamic. Here all the options. We can add new movie. We can show all the movies and the movie genres. Also to sell this movie, we use the WooCommerce plugin. If we want to add a new movie, we will go right here and add the movie in the product, add new product. The product name is our enemy movie, and the date 2020. Okay, we will add the movie right here. It's a downloadable movie. We'll add the file. Choose the file, insert the file URL. Okay, regular price is $14.99 and on sale is $9.99. We'll publish this. I'm gonna go to all products and take the ID of the product. This is the ID 181. Now we will add a new movie. The title is our movie 2020, and here we'll add the trailer link, the plot, the rating 7.9 for example, the code, the country is USA, the director or timer, the writer, let's say it's the same, stars, the awards, Oscar, The duration is 1 hour 25 minutes. The downloadable link, this is the link that will be downloaded after purchasing, equal 181. Put a feature image. This is the feature image. Set feature image. Now we're gonna update. Here's the latest movie, Arc Enemy movie. I'm gonna purchase it, for example. Here's all the data we added, the trailer, okay, and the plot, and the description of the movie. Here's all the data we added for the movie. Here we can download the movie. Press on download. Okay. Proceed to checkout. And because our website is in the local host, we can't purchase right now, but if it's on the hosting server, we can download it.